Hi, I'm Harriet Green.
And I'm Myra Hunt, and we're absolutely delighted to be joining the Centre for Digital Public Services as the Chief Executive Officer. Obviously, there's two of us. We job share. We've been job sharing for 11 years, and this is the third post that we've held together.
And we've watched the creation of the Wales Digital Strategy and the foundation of the CDPS with great interest. It's clear to us that the delivery of better public services is at the heart of the Welsh Government's ability to deliver on its priorities and its promises. And there's also huge potential in delivering better public services to support the Welsh language, the Welsh culture and the Welsh economy.
So we'll be leading the Centre to improve services for users and deliver the digital strategy for Wales. We'll be working collaboratively with partners from across Wales.
A few words about us. We've both had long careers at the BBC. In fact, I started my career at the BBC in Wales and gone on to lead major digital transformations globally at the British Council and more recently at the Department for the Environment. We're also experienced non-executives and trustees in spheres such as academia, the NHS and the third sector. And we have already had great conversations with colleagues in Wales, with Wales's Chief Digital Officers, with the Deputy Minister Lee Waters, who has responsibility for digital public services, and with the team at the CDPS. And we can't wait to get started and be with you at some point after Christmas.